Today, we're going to learn how to make one of my favorite drinks, the Mint Julep.
In honor of the 145th running of the Kentucky Derby, Saturday, May 4th, we have Todd Patton with Old Kentucky Bourbon Bar here to show us how to make the best mint julep.
The drink is very simple. It's mint, it's bourbon, it's sugar, and it's water, essentially. So we have Woodford Reserve here. This is pretty much the official, this or Old Forester is the official Kentucky Derby bourbon. So we'll start the drink with sugar. A lot of people will use simple syrup. You can use cube sugar if you like. If you use cube sugar, you're going to want to muddle it in with some water. And we will do a little water just to kind of make a little bit of a simple syrup there. And we will go ahead and kind of muddle this in just to create the sweet base, and it'll work just fine. So the most important part of this drink is the mint. You're going to want about maybe 8 to 10 nice plump green mint leaves. When you muddle the mint in here, you don't want to pulverize it. You really just want to lightly sort of press it in, express the oils and the aromatics in the mint, and you also want to get it mixed in with the sugar a little bit to help create that base. You definitely want to do your bourbon next. You want to build the ice on top of all of these ingredients. If you do the bourbon last, it will just melt all the ice, but we'll pop that there. And then that's it. And then we're just going to garnish it with some nice, let's see if I can find a nice bouquet here at the top. That looks like a pretty good one. And then you can just kind of set that right in there. And then that's it.
Well
that
done.
is your mint julep.
Forever.
Cheers, Hunter Haas! We wish you luck on those bets. Enjoy the Mint Juleps. Happy Derby Day, and see you next week for another Scoop 60.
Koff Hunter Haas Realtors and you.